yeah, I'd love to hear it. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. All right. Wow, nice.
3 B2 XL, Rage XL 12s.
Okay.
It's on 7,500 watt, Ride 7,500 watt.
Okay.
It's still building progress.
What is it wired down to? What do you wire down to?
0.67. They said you can't do that. I proved them wrong.
You're wrong?
Yeah, it's only supposed to be wired at 1 ohm or higher. But with the box rise and everything.
Going good?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure, yeah, I'd love to hear it. What was your name?
John.
John, okay.
But it's B2_Bomb Squad on...
Bomb Squad, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Do you know what your box is tuned to?
40 hertz.
40, okay.
Yeah. Buddy of mine down in Texas, CP Designs.
Yep.
If you're going to be here tomorrow, I'll have his shirt on.
Okay.
He designs all my boxes and everything. So.
Are you loud or sealed? Or windows out? Yeah, okay. I noticed that, yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I thought I was having voltage problems, but I had a couple guys look at it, you know, a little more knowledge than me, and figured out it's normal.
It is?
So, yeah, I mean,
yes, sir.
The doors ain't done. I'm going to be putting, there's going to be two 10s, two 6.5s, and 2 tweeters in each door.
Okay.
I just didn't have enough time to get ready for the show.
Yes, sir. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of John's system. This was at the TD8 show in Virginia of 2021, Team Deadly Hertz. Be sure, if you haven't already, give him a like. He did a really good job showcasing it at the show, and I'm looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. Really unique style system. Triple subwoofers. Most people would normally run either 2 or 4 for an even number of subs, and he got the job done with 3. I like the way he has the amplifier layout on the box mount, but of course it's not recommended to wire anything and mount it to the box, but he didn't have any other area to put it, and everything is kind of secretly hidden behind the seats when he had them up. I was really glad that he got to show me everything and kind of the layout. And also, if you notice, he actually has a driver port. And if he was totally right, it was tuned to around 39 to 40 hertz. I didn't get the SPL score, but based on the demo, felt like it was probably around a 147, 148 dB range on music during this demo you're going to see. And these subs are rated at 2500 watts RMS, so probably a perfect combo to run this 7500 watt amp on these 3 set of subs. Maybe a little bit underpowered, and I know he had some voltage issues he was talking about, but anyway, we're going to go and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo.
Bass dropping pussy.
having voltage problems, but I had a couple guys look at it, you know, with a little more knowledge than me, and figured out it's normal.
It is.
So, yeah.
Nice to meet you. Thank you very much for the demo.
Sure.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.